Kev, you want a ragged branch old fashioned?
I would love that.
Good. I was hoping you'd say that. Because if you were like, nah, bro, I'm good.
I'll drink on it.
All right, so this is a pro move in my book because I usually buy the simple syrup from the store, but you just went straight raw Louisiana cane sugar.
So now we're going some bitters, the regular Angostura, and then the orange as well.
Yeah.
And now, because we got that raw sugar, I'm gonna get a little bit of orange juice in there too, because we gotta dissolve all that sugar.
So I do 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then when it comes to the orange bitters, I go 7 on that.
Okay. Trey wants to know where the hell you came up with 7
It's a simple
and
mathematical
14.
equation. It's actually, if you break it down and divide it, it's 7, 7, and 7, which is a biblical reference because it's heavenly, right?
Okay.
So what do you have in here already? You went ahead.
I have a little bit of orange juice in mine.
All right, you made your orange juice. Damn, you make everything. I would have.
I made the orange juice. Yes, I juiced the orange. Trey, this is Ragged Branch straight bourbon whiskey, Louisiana Reserve.
Louisiana Reserve is right.
Boy, it smells.
I'm pretty good at dumping. Here, look. We got our garnish. This for the cameraman.
Oh, there you
I'm
go.
polite. I like to
Oh, that is nice of you.
have a little bit for the cameraman. Yeah, so cheers, guys.
Trey, glad you're here.
Boom.
I'll take mine.
No,
I'll take mine.
I forgot to mix yours because I'm not professional.
No, drink it how he gave it to you.